Hello once again everybody, 11:32:27 seconds, February 14th. This is mini number 2 now for the X-Men 266. Over here are the 16 filled spots. Okay, whoever comes in first place in this mini will get the first 5 open spots in the main. Whoever comes in second place in this mini will get the next 2 open spots in the main. Whoever comes in third will get the next single open spot in the main, filled in order. The people with multiple spots, you could come in first, second, and third and win all the spots. That goes without saying. Well, anyway, let's roll the 3 dice. Let's find out who the winners are. Number is 12. Best of luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And here comes the final one. 12. Cody Goodrich. My Sweet Adeline, Ryan Enright. Cody gets 5, the first 5. My Sweet Adeline gets the next 2. Ryan gets the next single spot. Time is 11:33 and 30.